everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Sheshe, and today I got this kidney right here, cow kidney. You guys voted that I should eat this today, and I am. This is the cow kidney. It's not cooked, but we are gonna cook it, and I'm gonna attempt to eat it in a bit. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Sheshe, and today I'm here because you guys voted, and you guys know when you vote we deliver. And yucky, this is all Monchis' idea. Cow kidneys. Yuck. Now I don't have a barf bag, but I do got some napkins in case I do have to throw up. I'll throw up in those. And I got some water. Let me take a drink. Oh my god. The smell is horrible because there's no seasonings in this. It's just cooked with oil, cooking oil. Now my mother, she eats this and she likes it. She was grabbing them and eating them. But as you guys saw before it was cooked, oh my god, it reminded me of a brain. The way it looked, but once you cook it, it shrinks, as you could see, and it doesn't look so bad after, but it has like a really strong smell. It's like potent, and it lingers for a long time. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever had cow kidney, and let me know if you voted yes, what you voted, yes or no. Did you vote yes for me to eat this, or did you vote no? Of course I voted no, but majority rules. You guys voted yes. So I'm gonna kick Monchis' ass. Anyways, he mentioned this in the video before. He's gonna be having a new segment in our channel called Bizarre Eats with Monchis. Once a week he's gonna be having a video trying something new, something weird, something bizarre. It doesn't have to just be meat. It could be something mixed together. Like he could put ice cream and ketchup mixed together, and he's going to try it for you guys. I don't know why he wants to, but he's going to do that. Just something interesting. Maybe if you guys have any ideas, you could put them out there, and maybe he'll pick one of them. It's going to be weird. It's going to be fun. Of course, I'm not going to do that. No. Not. I'm going to stick to my burgers, okay? If you guys have any suggestions of new burgers, let me know also, because you guys know I'm the burger queen. Burger click. Anyways, I gotta, what's it called? Get the courage to eat one of these. I gotta burp, I think. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. You guys know I burp a lot too. I don't even know if I want to put salt on these. I do not want to have these appetizing, because I know some of y'all are like, well, I don't know if you could see these. I don't think you can. Oh gosh. Anyways, I do not want these to be appetizing. I do not want to put sauces on them. I do not want to do anything like that. There we go. A little further back. But yeah, I don't want these to be appetizing at all. They look like mushrooms, to be honest. Here's a closer look at them. Oh my god, the smell is horrible. I know what you guys are thinking, like, don't smell it, don't look at it, just bite it, take a bite out of it and eat it. Now, I don't think I could eat all of these. No. Probably just two. One or two, maybe the most. Two the most. Oh my lord, oh my lord, oh my lord. This shouldn't be as bad as the sushi. The sushi that I had before, that was horrible. But I'm sure this is just as bad, but not as bad. Okay, ready? Let's start with the little one, okay? This one doesn't look that bad. It looks actually overcooked. Ugh. Reminds me of a snail. Has a lot of grease on it. Let me wipe the grease off. Maybe that'll help. Looks very, very greasy. If I eat this, I'm sure I could eat escargot, right? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. That is horrible. Ooh. I don't ever think I've eaten anything that tastes like that before. That's worse than the seafood. Yeah, that's worse than seafood. Okay, the consistency of it is kind of like a piece of steak. It's not chewy. It's easy to bite into. I'm gonna have to say it's kind of, you could compare it to roast beef. But the thing is, the taste is strong. Kind of really of a strong gamey taste to it. Not gamey in a good way like steak or deer meat, which I've had in the past. Ugh. This is a different taste. Kind of like liver. Kind of similar to liver, you guys. Now, I don't think I could eat anymore. I took in one bite. I tried it, okay? You gotta give me that. I can't eat this. Should I try it one more time? Let me try one more time, okay? One more time, I guess, for you guys. Let's see if I could swallow a piece. I cannot do it. I'm sorry. Now, I thought I was able to swallow it. No, I cannot do it. I'm sorry, guys. At least give me an A for trying. I tried, but I can't. That's just like a weird taste. And I don't have like the, what's it called? The balls to do it like Monchis can. Because he could eat pretty much anything more than me and not get sick. Oh my god, I gotta burp. Oh gosh, I had to let that out. I had to drink a lot of water to get that taste out. So would you guys ever try this? Would you guys be interested in trying it? And I've seen that people like put seasonings and gravy in it to make it taste better. Maybe you guys are saying like maybe that's what you should have done. But no, I don't think that could like, what's it called, fix the taste. So I'm so sorry I couldn't finish it, you guys, but I tried my best and those were my thoughts on the kidney and you guys wanted to see it. At least I didn't throw it up. I just spit it out. So thank you for watching, you guys, and excuse the burps. I know some of you guys like it and some of you don't, but yeah, stay tuned for those bizarre eats with Monchis, you guys. And Sheshe signing out.